Hey guys, I'm gonna do a new type of video. It's gonna be a Madden social on Facebook pack opening. I have 800k, and so I'm gonna be opening 800k. Um, I'm gonna do half 4-star packs, so 400k of 4-star packs, and then 400k of mystery packs. So, and by the way, this is my team right now, 97 overall with a +4 from Calvin Johnson Jr. and Brad Marshalls. And, yeah, it's a pretty sick team. I didn't spend any money on this game, I swear. I've just been opening these mystery packs. They're amazing. Even if you don't get anything good, you discard everything, you make almost double. But I'm going to start with the 4-star pack. Ooh, 2 ultimates in 1 pack. Oh, they're not very good. So our first pack here. Not a very good pack. Not a very good pack again. I mean, anything that's 95 and up, I consider a good player. Ooh, so yeah, 95. That's a good pack. Alright. Ooh, another ultimate. I'm on fire with these ultimates in this pack. Alright, so we're down to 570k. Not the best pack. Yeah, another pack. And this is gonna be our last pack, and we don't really get anything good. Alright, I'll open another one just because it's gonna take a while to open the mystery packs. Ooh, an ultimate. Ooh, that was a good idea. Alright. Now for the mystery packs. Let's see if we can get anything good. Yeah. So much lag. Just because I have to record it. Bunch of Super Bowl cards. Alright, gold superior. Come on, ultimate. Platinum. Ultimate. Oh, that's a pretty good ultimate card. Platinum. No. Base. Oh, this is the best one yet. I am so putting this on my team later. What a beast card. Platinum. Platinum. Ooh, a rare platinum. Come on. Good player. Let's go. 99. 99 player. Come on. Something. I've spent a ton of money on these packs. Like, at least 20 mil. Or 15 mil. And I've got 2 99s. My other 99s I've bought from the auction. Come on. Robinson. Super Bowl card. Randy Moss. Come on. Ultimate Dansby. Ultimate Sproles. Base. Goodman. It's a good card. Can't complain. Super Bowl. Pollard. Amazing. Yeah. McKinney. So nothing really good so far. I mean, the best I got in this packs, I think, was a 95, yeah, in the 50k pack, which is kind of surprising because the mystery packs always give me better stuff. I might still get something. There's still 200k left. I think the last 2 packs will be 50k packs because I'm getting kind of tired of opening these packs. But we got a good 95, but he's a kick receiver, so yeah. So the last 100k is gonna be on 50k packs. This is our last 100k of mystery packs. Good win. Come on. 99. 99. 99. Come on. Oh. Gold. There, platinum. Come on. At least an ultimate. Platinum. Gold. Platinum. Platinum. Oh my god. Ultimate. There we go. At least we got an ultimate. Gold. Rare gold. Gold. Ultimate. Cool. So 395s. Super Bowl card. Davis. Ginn. Oh, I forgot. That was supposed to be our last one. Alright, so I'll open a 4-star, then a 3-star. Nothing. Nada. Alright, and then 3-star. Nothing there. And then we'll just open 4 more mystery packs. For the hell of it. Bennett. Come on. Ultimate. Cool. Alright, last one. Rare platinum. Alright, so let's just recap what we got. So for offense, our best player we got was Davis and Graham and Gates. That's our top 3. And then for defense, we got McDonald, Joseph, and Dansby for our top 3. And for special teams, you got Brown, Sprawless, and another Sprawless for our top 3. So not the best. 800k on that. None of them make my team. You know, I can probably make 800k back, maybe get 1 mil back, but still. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah. See you later.